Grand Battement set us up for a lot of our Allégro work, specifically our Grand Allégro. Anytime we're doing things like our grand jetés, where we're essentially doing the splits in the air, we need to be able to do a grand battement to the front and to the back at the same time. If we're doing it décoté, then that is doing a grand battement to each of our sides at the same time. When we're doing our tour jetés, we're doing two grand battements again while turning in the air. We also use our grand battements for our hit kicks, in which case then you're doing two grand battements to the front. And all of the control and the power that we use from the bar gets applied then when we go to do the Grand Allégro. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we talk about some of the challenges that we need to work on overcoming with our Grand Battements to better execute them. I will see you tomorrow.